Okay. I see a couple people asking about Lucas Gerhard's free. Let me briefly say what deal he got. And this is a brief, high-level overview of the deal. There's some specifics of Michigan law at play here, and I'll put together a stream or a short video to really summarize and explain what happened. But the long and short is this: Lucas pleads, I shouldn't say pleads. The plea agreement is it's a Michigan specific thing that does not result in a conviction. Okay. What the agreement is that Lucas admits to facts. The facts that he admits to are basically that he posted a Snapchat of the nature of the Snapchat that he posted, right? That he did the thing, but it is not an admission of guilt. It is not a plea of guilt, and there is no conviction for the actual charge. They just have a record of what he did in fact do in the case. He did post this thing on Snapchat. This is the picture that was his account. He gets 1 year of probation. And then at the end of that year, there is no conviction. His rifle is returned to him and his record is sealed. So there is no criminal impact on his life. And that's it. That's all he has to do. There's no jail time, no community service, nothing like that. And his ankle monitor is off. He is free. He's already currently free. He can use the internet. He can do pretty much everything. I think he has a firearm restriction as part of his agreement, not like he's on a list, but for a year or something. But I'm not positive on that. I would just imagine that's part of the agreement, but I don't know. I'll try and get the answer to that. But long and short, he was facing at a minimum 3 to 5 years in prison, potentially, I believe, up to 20 years for the terroristic threat charge. And at every stage of this case, he was losing. He lost at his dismissal hearings. He lost at his bail hearings. He lost at the appeal, and he lost by the Supreme Court of Michigan cucking out and not taking his case. So while it would have been great to go ahead and go fight for victory, asking a 22-year-old kid to put another 3 to 5 years of time in after he's already been arrested for 3 straight years and on house arrest. This is actually a great deal for him. And most importantly, probably for some people, this does not impact his ability to bring suit against some of the people involved in this to try and get some recompense for his actions at the federal level, to bring a federal case for deprivation of rights and stuff like that, because there's not actually a conviction going on here. Plus, there's been a chilling effect on his First Amendment speech. What the hell can he even Snapchat without worrying about going to jail for another 3 years after this? And that needs to be rectified. So it's a great deal, and pretty much any criminal attorney on earth would be jumping to get that deal for their client. So, but I'll try and put together like a detailed stream with the law, or stream or video with the law and how it works out. But it's great news for him. So.